Daily Dispatch, Day 7. The native engine tries to start. 1 week down, the territory is starting to announce itself, and it's loud. Act 1, the roar. The first signal wasn't a thought, but a sound. A gastrointestinal event of such depth it could only be a bear roaring from a cave. It was bizarre, undeniable, the sound of a deep dormant system rebooting. Repair isn't quiet, it's seismic. Act 2, the first spark. A calm followed the storm, then mid-afternoon, clammy hands, a palpable come-up. Not anxiety, not a craving, I interpreted it with awe, as a potential first natural dopamine surge in 35 years. A system dormant since my early 20s firing its own starter motor, the native engine coughed and turned over. Act 3, the exhaustion. The spark had consequences, the shakes, my body's unfamiliar response to its own chemistry. Then after pushing through a foggy band practice, a deep creeping fatigue. This was the complete sober waveform. Up, activation, down, a microcosm of the larger recovery. The day was more varied than expected. The slog of integration is what comes next. But today proved the native engine isn't dead. It's capable of a roar, a tremor, and a tired sigh. The job is to listen. All of it is data. All of it is the engine trying to run on its own fuel. Week 1 ends not with a whimper, but with a clear, volatile signal. The machine is alive.